Year after year, Telangana has been adjudged as the leading e-governed state in India. As per e-TAL, Government of India, Telangana ranks number 1 in per capita e-transactions. What has been setting Telangana apart from its peers is the vision of a truly digital Telangana and its execution under the leadership of Honorable Chief Minister Shri K. Chandrasekhar Rao and Honorable IT Minister Shri K. T. Rama Rao. Striving towards this vision, Telangana has started exploring the use of emerging technologies such as artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning, big data, blockchain, drones, etc. in the government. Authentication of citizens' identity is a key prerequisite of service delivery by government departments. For example, at airports, security verify the identity of a citizen before allowing them to enter the airport. At examinations, the identity of students is verified before they are allowed for the exam. These examples of identity authentication essentially include 3 checks which are performed manually. First, name on the flight ticket or hall ticket with the name on the ID card. Second, photograph on the ID card with the face of the citizen. Third, which is an indirect check of physically verifying the live person. Let us take the case of Dost, Degree Online Services of Telangana, where admission process for degree colleges of Telangana is online. The existing method is Aadhaar authentication, where students visit Me Seva centers for authentication of identity as a first step to the process. Students are required to visit the Me Seva centers only for the purpose of identification and fee payment. This could be avoided if there is a reliable way to authenticate students' identity in a presence-less and contactless manner. ITE&C Department of Government of Telangana, after intense analysis, has come up with an innovative solution called Real-Time Digital Authentication of Identity (RTDAI) for an easy, convenient and correct authentication of citizens' identity through a smartphone in a presence-less and contactless way. Built on RTDAI platform in association with the Telangana State Council of Higher Education, Dost authentication allows more than 3 lakh intermediate students of Telangana to authenticate for Dost degree courses through a smartphone from their home, anytime, anywhere, without stepping out of home. Dost authentication service is provided through T-App Folio, the M-Governance initiative of Government of Telangana. The student needs to submit details such as name, date of birth, intermediate hall ticket number, mobile number, and click a selfie. Authentication of identity happens using a 3-factor authentication by leveraging state-of-the-art technologies, artificial intelligence-based liveness check to ensure that selfie uploaded is from a live person at that instant and not of a photograph or a selfie taken earlier. This is the most important test since the identification is done remotely. Big data-based demographic check to match input name with name of student in intermediate hall ticket, handling name variations. Deep learning-based image comparison to match the selfie with the photo in intermediate hall ticket. Post successful 3-factor authentication. Student can pay the service fee through a smartphone and avail the service. Dost authentication service is being made available through T-App. Telangana State Council of Higher Education is the first organization in the country to build this kind of platform for use by the students by leveraging emerging technologies to provide contactless and presence-less services, making government service delivery efficient, convenient, and transparent. Marching ahead towards its vision of a digital Telangana, Telangana Council of Higher Education and ITE&C Department dedicate Dost authentication service to the students of Telangana.